What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to go into an abandoned mansion. This mansion is called Mayfield House, located in Portlaw. It is located 19.5 kilometers away from the oldest city in Ireland, Waterford City. We are now approaching the gate. I'm not sure if this gate used to be the gate for the factory or the main house. Oh, look at these fallen light posts. And as you can see here, the nature has taken over. I'm inside of this building just to show you on how big the house or building is. The entire land is about 16 acres. So from the town center, this is where it's located. It's just near the town center. Within the vicinity was also an abandoned cotton factory. This area must have been burned down. From my understanding, when the Malcomsons arrived in Portlaw, there was essentially no village, just a mere 72 houses. The population of the village was 395. However, in a mere 10 years, the cotton factory employed almost twice that figure. Also owned the Mayfield House. The access to the house is through the main gate as well. Wow. Look at this fallen tree. There's a fallen tree here. Wow. So we're gonna go through this fallen tree, as you can see. Look at that. Nature, huh? Okay. Wow. Now, that's it. This is the view approaching these ruins. As far as I know, it's already sold, this area. So we're just here to kind of have a look how these ruins look like. Somebody has bought this already, and probably they're going to turn this into something sort of maybe a hotel or something like that. Welcome to Mayfield House. This is the home of the Malcomsons. Dates from the 1740s. Apparently, there was a couple of revisions done to this house in the past. I can only imagine how it looks like in the past. This magnificent building structure. There were two architects who remodeled the house to make it a distinctive Italian style. We're gonna go around this area so that you can see how it looks like from other angles. Look at that. And this place was sold for just about 350,000 euros, something like that. And it includes the land around it. It's a big land. Yeah, maybe 300 something, if not like 400 something. The building also has a distinctive Georgian feel to it, and this may have been in order to keep an aspect of the original building alive, as it would have been built in the midst of when Gregorian architecture was popular. As you can see here, the windows were typical Georgian style sliding sash windows. We're gonna go inside. This might be the sunroom before. Well, whoever bought this house hopefully can bring back the glory so we can see it once again. No doubt, back in the day, when it's all in its glory, this must be a fascinating place, a fabulous place. Hopefully you've enjoyed our exploration of this place, and see you next time. Thank you.